Hi people, welcome to this new tutorial on Wintermute Engine. Today I'm going to talk you about the working area on this software. Well, first step is to open the Wintermute Engine project manager. I got it on the shortcuts here. Well, you can find it from Start, All Programs and Wintermute Engine Development Kit, and click on Wintermute Engine Project Manager. Well, for the first thing we got to look about this menu here. We got File, the View, Tools, Help. On Help we got the documentation, Wintermute documentation. It's really important because if people want to learn something about Wintermute Engine, this is the way, the easy way. Well, for the first thing we have to click on New, this white paper here, and we got the basic project. So we have to give it a name. So proof. And here we can change the name of the actor, or better, the character of the game. Here's Molly, and the first scene that the game will create for the game, no? So we can change the name of the room in something else, but in this case I'm going to let it like it is. Okay, we got it. Okay, I'm going to explain you all these things. Well, not all, just I'm going to talk a little bit about it because it take a lot of time to explain all. So we got here on the left some menus. Startup settings, we can change the game resolution, sounds, hardware, and etc. Well, after that we have the game settings. Here we can change the name of the game, and other subtitles, speed, video subbed, speech subtitles, and etc. Well, on the saved games we can change here the things, these options, and we can set here for example the screen which will appear when the game will load the game, no, the saved game. And then we got the debugging settings. The debugging settings is to test the game, no? Well, we can test in window mode and etc. And this little last one, I don't know what is it for, so I'm going to let it. I can't explain it. Well, in the middle of these two areas we got a central area, and with these folders, well, we got the data area folder, sorry, the data folder, in which we got the actors, that is Molly here. Yeah, can we see Molly? No. Well, entities, fonts are the style of the writing, and inventory, menu, this is the menu in the game which we can use to make move the character, no? And this is the menu of the game to open, load, save, or quit the game. Well, we got the items that the character can collect in the game. There are some scripts here, sprites, I don't know what is the right reading, and we got the room scenes. Well, if you remember, when we started this tutorial, there was the option to change the name of the room. No, this is the first room that the game had created for us. Well, in it we got a background image and the room.scene. The room.scene is the real scene which will appear in the game. And in this one we got a preview scene in which we will see all the images, things like that, characters. Well, here we got another menu that is new, open folder, open file, save, cut, copy, paste, scene, edit. It's to edit the scene, and we got it here, the sprite edit, to edit the sprite. String table manager, this is to make the test lines of the dialogues and other things like that in and give them some names like with numbers, something like that. I don't remember now. We got the run game, and we got this thing that is about and it is explain about Winter Mutant Gene. Well, this is all for this tutorial. Next time I'll explain you how the things that you can do at the first time in Winter Mutant Gene. So bye and see you next time.